Hi grammar lovers. Welcome to English Grammar Quiz 14. Can you score 25/25? Let's see how many did you guess right? She said she will call me after lunch. Like for more grammar hacks. That's incorrect. The right answer is, would. He is married with a lawyer. Smash that like, share this quiz now. Oops, it should be, married to. He ran quick to catch the train. Love grammar? Then like, comment, and hit subscribe. The correct word is, quickly. The data shows interesting trends. Comment if you got it wrong. It should be, data show, data is plural. She didn't say nothing to me. Double negative alert, like if this helped. The correct word is, anything. Rarely I go out during the week. Did you catch it? Comment your score. It should be, rarely do I go. She is the unique artist in town. It should be, a unique, not the. Got it right? He returned back to the office. Returned, is enough. No, back, needed. If I will see her, I will tell her. Correct form is, if I see her. Please accept my advice. Oops, it's, advice, with a, C, like if you learn something.